name is John Boga. And 6 months ago, I came in hardly able to walk. I was looking at getting my knees chopped off versus something new. So I chose something new. And guess what? It worked. And 6 months later, here I sit with a follow-up procedure, and stem cell really turned my way of looking at everything around. I'm able to walk much better. I can do all the things that I wanted to do very easily, as I'm a retired teacher, the shop kind, where I taught everybody all the fun stuff. And after coming here to the Stem Cell Institute, which is a wonderful place, I've sent my friends over here. They told me the same story, that she has experienced wonderful things about what you can do and how the procedures work so great. And she is so happy she could cry. And I'm the same way, but I'm not going to cry. I'm happy. And I'm so glad that I found this place, because the things I'm able to do now, I wouldn't have been able to do whatsoever, because I was looking for a wheelchair or 16 crutches all the time, which didn't work out. And I was to the fork in the road where either had to get them cut off and knees replaced, or try something different. And I chose something different, and I'm glad I did, because it is so working. And the good Lord must have sent me here on purpose, of course, because the difference is between day and night. And I'm experiencing nothing but good. So I would encourage anybody that has a problem to come over here and give them a call and come over and see how they can fix you up like they did me.
Sometimes people say some things out of jealousy.